Malinki, my Damara queen from Namibia. Me, Donkey Longtong and Matt Conne. We are going big tonight. We have a Namibian night because tonight, Kimunati Kaufela, Namib Mills, ne? Braai pap, the real Johnny, ne? Hierso baby Jane, check hierso. Meat Royale, Kobe. Ek weet nie waar slag julle hierdie colors nie. I don't know where you get these calves because this rib is even too big for a map con. Daar is 'n ander stuk malientjie. Check daarso. Check, nee. So, Meat Royale, they think of everything because they give you a rib big enough to braai and the least lappy. That is for the starter. And of course, Trans-Africa juice there. So, we just spite it like this. You can even spite that Johnny from here, ne? So, Meat Royale Tsume rib, Namib Mills braai pap, and in the swart pot, ne? Check there.
There too.
In the potjie, and all we use is black pepper and salt. So yeah, let's do Namibia braai, Arrivari. Cheers!